So your choice is either hummingbird or hot chocolate.
Hummingbird. I want you to show me your good ski skills, yeah?
Okay.
Let's go and show Lachlan how you can turn.
Let's put it more over our toe.
Sorry?
Oh, you can't, can you?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, you go. Grace, you're going to follow Angelica. That's Angelica.
We're doing one more.
You're Grace.
Yes.
Follow Angelica.
Follow you.
Don't overtake her. Give her some space. Don't like ride up her ass the whole time.
I follow.
Oh.
This is the scary bit.
This is the scary bit. Why is it scary?
I don't know. I can't get my.
Your left foot forward. So aim down here. Aim towards me. Fucking hell, dude. That's okay. Try and stay up on the top bit if you can. You'll probably get absolutely fucking clattered. Right. Okay.
That's the problem. Like I get to like.
Well, look at the hill. Where's the hill pointing you?
And I'm just like.
Well, keep your weight on your left. Okay, and then move your hips where you want to go. Keeping your weight on your left. But that's fear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember when we did our stuff on Happy Valley, we went left foot forward, right foot forward. We don't do that anymore. We're now just left foot forward the whole time. Okay? What's the fear? You're gonna fall over?
It's like I'm trying to turn from here to toe.
Yeah.
And it's not even the speed, it's just the whole
Yeah.
the turning, and it.
But
It's
if
just
you
like
if we keep
even if I'm doing this, I'm trying to push. It just kind of, I don't know.
it goes that way.
It
Right.
doesn't. That's the point. It hasn't.
It hasn't. Right. It's no
But I
English.
did it too
Right.
strong, and I was.
Okay. Let's get through the yellow bit, and then we'll have a look at the fall line. Okay. It's okay. Now hips over our left foot, that's it. Now we can go to toes because the board's flat. You're still on heels. Okay, that's it. Really push down on your left foot. Like push down the whole time. Push. Push. Okay, when you're ready, now start turning to the left. Looking to the left, turn the board back up the hill. Yes, okay. That's it. Now, here, really push down on the foot. Push, 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 and turn our hips. Push, more. Look towards me. Look back up the hill. That's right, see, as we do that, as we're going down the hill, you're moving backwards. So you're doing this. You're going like this, I'm saying push, 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 and you're going okay, 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 and then you're doing that. Make sense? That's why we can't turn, because our board's in the air. Push. Right. Get your shoulder and your hips and your knee over that foot, even if that means pushing your hips to the left. Yes. Okay? You can let that left hand drift behind you a little bit. Now look towards me. No, other way. We're already on our toes, we need to go left. Yeah? Okay. So, start looking over the shoulder, looking towards me. Now we can go to our heels, toes come up. Perfect, cool. Keep looking this way. Now look down the hill and push the left knee forward. Left knee forward. Forward, no, okay. Alright, come back out to the middle. Just slide the whole way to the middle. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Cool, alright, come to a stop there. Right. So, yes, here. Then when we want to turn, this comes forward, so push it forward like this. Push this forward, push it, yes. And then push that, and then here. Okay?
Okay.
And stay on top of the board. Yeah, so this is coming forward. Yeah?
Yeah.
If you want, you can think about it like this. If both feet are on your heels, this goes to toe, this stays heels.
Okay.
Okay, that gets the board down the hill.
Okay.
Once the board's down the hill, then they both go toes. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay? Right, so both are on heels. Okay, push down on this foot, push down. So this one goes to toes. That one stays heels. Now both go toes. Okay, it's the same thing here. So watch my hand. So this is toes, this is heels, okay? So I'm both on toes, heels, heels. And when I'm here, toes, toes. So I'm using my feet independently. So you're both on your heels, so put your left foot onto its toe, and then wait. And then once the board's straight, both can go to toes. So now both feet toes. Okay, keep looking across the hill. Left foot goes heels. Now right foot goes heels. Cool. Now left, wait, get the board straight. Left foot goes toes. Now right foot goes toes. Right across the hill. Okay, that was just a bad place to turn because you end up like this woman in the forest. So when we're here, look, the hill's like this. So if I turn, I'm going to end up really far there. So there, right across. Does that work better, using one and then the other? Well, then just think about that. You can snowboard like that. Yeah? All it does is if both feet are on toes, I'm on that edge. If both feet are on heels, I'm on that edge. If I've got one and the other's lagging behind, the board will just go straight.
When can I start changing the direction?
So the front foot, you can do whenever you want.
Whenever.
The back foot...
I won't catch an edge if I do.
No, the back foot has to be until the board's flat.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So here, look, I can ride across the hill. I'm on my toes. I'm gonna go left foot heels, right foot heels. It's just the right foot. That's the only one that will stop you catching an edge. You wait until the board's flat. Try and ride the crossover to here first. So stay both on your heels, ride the whole way to the middle. Okay? You can put your right toe down, you won't catch an edge. Sorry, your left toe down, you won't catch an edge. Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's just like sometimes when it happens,
Yeah.
and this catch something like,
Yeah, that's fine.
you know, that's when I'm like, that's when I panic.
Okay, so when we go down this bit here, once we get over the hill, we're going to put our left toe down. And that's going to turn the board halfway, because you're using half your feet. Okay?
Well, are we going, wait, how are we going now?
So,
Oh, yeah, we're turning, okay.
here. So you're going to go left toe down,
Yeah,
and as long as that right heel stays down, you can't catch an edge,
okay,
because you're still on your heels.
okay.
Yeah? It's only when the board is straight, we then use the other toe.
I think that's another problem, is that I don't know when the board is straight, I'm not confident, and then that's when I'm look and that's when I fall. But if I don't look and think maybe it's now, that's when I catch.
So you should be able to look across and you can see the board. Okay, right. Look across the trees. Okay? Look at this tree here.
Yeah,
Okay, can you see my hand?
kind of, yeah.
Can you see my hand? Don't look
Yeah.
at my hand, keep looking at the trees.
Yeah.
You see my hand?
Yeah.
You see my hand?
Yeah.
You see my hand? Can you see the
Gone.
board?
No?
Can you... Okay, well then look a little bit lower.
Okay.
Look at the trees so you can see the front of your board, but you're looking this way. Yeah?
Kind of.
You can always take a glance at it.
Okay.
You can always
Yeah,
check-
it's not moving the head and stuff.
Yeah?
I know.
Anyway, right, let's go. Grace is fucked off again, but... it's
No,
what it
she's
is.
there.
Is she?
Yeah. Okay, so
So from
Stay.
here, so here it doesn't matter. You can
Okay.
be heels or toes, one or the other, the board's straight.
okay.
But we're going to go both toes. Okay?
Now toes.
Both toes, yeah, both toes. Both toes, and we're going to ride across here. Okay? Ride across towards these people. Okay, when we're ready, you can do left foot heels, wait. Now right foot heels. Yes. Then we wait until the board's straight. Now left foot toes, wait. Keep left foot toes. You got to release the edge. So you're doing that, but you're still on your heel edge. So it's got to be full commitment. It's got to be this, and then the other one. If you don't commit with the first leg, it won't turn. So point the board slightly across, and then our left toe goes down. We've got to keep our weight on the left foot though. See how the left leg is straight?
Yeah.
Has to be bent. Our weight should be over our left foot.
But that's what I'm feeling.
And come over here.
That's
Okay.
what I'm panicking.
Right. Put all your weight on your right foot. No. Put all your weight on your
sorry.
right foot.
Right foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All your weight. More. Okay, now do all the way on your left foot. Okay, put all your weight on your left foot. More. Okay, now put your back straight. Okay, keep that left knee bent the whole way through the turn. Okay? So when you go to your left toe, just push that knee forwards. Can you see your toe? Can you see your toe?
Yeah.
Cool. Push your left knee forward until you can't see your toe. Look what happens to the board. Turns. Okay, go back straight. Right, you can see your left toe?
Yeah.
Okay, push your knee over your left toe. Okay, goes. Okay, so now from here, push your knee over your left toe. Start turning, you gotta still turn the hips. It's okay. We're gonna move away from the trees. Come on.
What?
It's okay. Right, come over here. You have to trust it, you're not gonna fall over. Okay? Right. Ride across slowly here. Okay? Put your left knee over your toes. Wait, now the other knee can come through. Okay? Right, so look across the hill. Left heel down. Then right heel down. Whoa, good save. That's perfect, that's fine. Look down the hill. Left heel down. Now right heel down. Look across the hill. Keep looking across the hill. Wrong foot, wrong foot, wrong foot. Left. Cool. Put our left toe down. Turn our hips. This is why we don't teach feet. This is very difficult.
Well, no, it's no problem. Like, think and not think about feet.
Point your hips towards my hand. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Going onto your toe edge. Ah, if I close, look, you just keep turning. If I keep turning, I'll just go in a circle. Come across the hole over here. Now turn your hips back up the hill. So your left hip. Point your left hip towards me. So point it down the hill. Okay, we'll get a bit of speed. Start moving first. Now point your hip towards me. Now point it back up the hill. Yes, correct. Keep it aiming towards me. Now point your hip down the hill. Keep wait. Okay. You feel your back foot there? When you finish the turn, you're like this. We can't get any more back if we tried. We need to be left foot down. We gotta keep a pressure on the left foot.
I know that I'm doing it.
I don't know. I can't feel your knees for you. But this, look, stand on right leg, stand on left leg, stand on right leg, stand on left leg. As soon as you start the turn, you do this. So now the board can't turn. And then you get scared. And then you're like, why is it not happening? Well, the reason it's not happening is because your board is in the air.
Yeah, because I'm getting paranoid.
Yeah.
A second, I'm not.
If you come up like we practiced at the start, your board will just go down. Your board will do the first bit on its own. See if you can come over here. Stay on your toes. Keep coming. Keep going. Alright, I'm gonna move you onto your heels. Go to your heels. Oh, sorry. Right, see if you can come across here because we're running out of slope. No. On your heels. Okay, right, we'll do it at the end. We'll do it when we get. We'll do it at the end of this now. It's fine. We don't have enough space. So if I turn you around again, you're gone. Right, when we get to the end of the cat track, we'll do it. Okay. Point the hips where you want to go. Okay, you got to pick an edge. Okay, aim towards the patrol hut. Aim the hips towards the patrol hut. Stay on the toe as if you want to, it's up to you. That's better. Pressure on the left foot. Well, you got to keep that pressure the whole way through the turn. So stay on our toes. It's going to come downhill in a second. You might have to be a little bit close to the edge, and then we aim to the right and we go onto our toes. So allow the board to go straight, get a bit of speed, then back onto our toes again, and we keep moving to the right. Well done, that's better than before. That's it. Sometimes we might have to aim a little bit towards the trees to get speed. Okay, when you're ready and you're happy, do a hillside turn and then come to a stop so I can come near you, okay? Not now, down here, down the slope. Okay, you can go the whole way out to the far end if you want. Then we'll do a hillside turn, which is easy. You can do that, look down the hill and look across the hill. Okay, and then come to a stop. Stop there. Perfect, right. So we're on our heels, okay?
Oh, sorry.
We're on our heels. So put our weight on our left foot, okay? Now push our hips forward over the middle of the board. It turns, it goes like that, okay? Then we go across, okay? Then we go onto our heels, okay? Then we go onto our toes. Just allow your hips to come forward. Push your hips forward, push your hips forward. Okay? Hips have to be here, like this. So here. We can't, if we're moving very slowly, we can't lean or we fall over. Okay? That's why we need to use speed. But here, when you go to your, so you're here on your heels, okay? To go to my, pretend I'm going down the hill here, these hips have to go forward. Otherwise I'm always on my heels. Even if I do this with my toes, nothing's gonna happen because my weight is here. Yeah? If I had a coin in my ass and I dropped it, it's gonna go on my heels. Okay? If I had a coin in my ass and I drop it here, it's gonna bounce on my board or bounce on my toes, right?
Yeah.
Don't make me put $1 up your ass. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's get on the lift. With the $2 coin, or do I have to tell Taylor to come back?
Yeah, this is my knife. No.
Yeah, so even like here, if we were going to turn down the hill, okay, we start looking down the hill. No, keep your board here. We're going that way, right? So our hips turn, but our hips have to go forward as well. So put your hips over your heel edge, put your foot on the board. Okay, so you just finished your hillside turn. Okay, so you bend down a little bit. Yeah, now our hips have to come up and forward, like this. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Okay, to get onto our toe edge.
Yeah.
Otherwise we get stuck. Make sense? Yeah? I think you're looking okay, Grace. I didn't really watch you too much, but you seem to be...
didn't fall.
You didn't fall. I mean, that's a positive.
Grand.
Let's wait for Angelica to come. Is this camera on or off? Is it flashing red?
Huh?
Is this camera flashing red?
Down here, yes.
Okay. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not opening. Okay, don't worry about it. It'll open next time. Still flashing red?
Yeah.